Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, quadrilateral, construction and types. Now, what do you mean by quadrilateral? Now, quadrilateral means, quadi means four. Quadi means four and lateral means side. That is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means having four sides. Quadi means four and lateral means side. That is four side. Now, I told you in the previous lecture, you should be ready with your geometry box because this chapter is of construction, so we need a geometry box. So I hope everyone is ready with their geometry box. Now in this chapter there are some points which we are going to learn. Okay, now there are some points which we are going to learn. Now first, every quadrilateral has four angles, four sides and two diagonals. Now here in every quadrilateral having four angle, four side and two diagonals. So there are 10 elements of each quadrilateral. How many elements are there? 10. You can count 4 angle, 4 sides and 2 diagonal. That means 4 plus 4 plus 2, it becomes 10. So a quadrilateral having how many elements? 10 elements. We can construct a quadrilateral if we know the measures of some specific 5 elements out of 10. We can construct a quadrilateral when we know only the 5 elements. If we know the 5 elements, we can construct out of how much? Out of 10. Out of 10 elements, if we know the 5 elements, we can construct a quadrilateral. Now, what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means four side. Quadi means four, lateral means side. So here in this figure also there are four angles. You can see over here. See, first angle is angle DOB. Then another is ABC. Then another is BCD. And the last one is CD and A. These are the four angles. Now four side means this is our AD first side, then AB second side, BC third side and CD or DC, that is our fourth side. Now here diagonal. Diagonal is how much? 2. This the cutting of inside the quadrilateral. Inside the quadrilateral which line cutted, that is our diagonal. That is in quadrilateral ABCD, which is our diagonal AC and BD. These two are our diagonal. So there are how many elements? There are 10 elements. That is 4 angle, 4 side and 2 diagonal. But at that time also we can construct a quadrilateral. Here I hope till here you people have understood what is quadrilateral and how many elements are there and from how much element we can draw a quadrilateral. Now we will start our practice set 8.1. So here there are some construction. You're going to construct it. I will also show you how to construct them. Now here the first question. Construct the following quadrilateral of given measure. In your notebook, I think this chapter you have to do in your notebook because in workbook it is given do in the notebook. So be ready with your notebook. You are going to construct it. First I will show you how to construct and then your part is what? I will give you 5 to 10 minutes to construct the things. Now here first we will draw a rough diagram. How should be a rough diagram must be? First listen the question. Construct the following quadrilateral of the given measure. Now in quadrilateral MORE. See, whenever we are constructing a quadrilateral or any types of triangle, we have to write in capital letter only. we have to write in a capital letter. So here in quadrilateral MORE, line MO is how much? 5.8 centimeter. Line OR is how much? 4.4 centimeter. Measurement angle M equal to 58 degree and measurement angle O equal to 105 degree, and the last part is measurement angle R equal to 90 degree. Here how many elements are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here also 5 elements are given. That means we can construct by taking 5 elements also. Now I hope you people have understood the question. MO is our side, that is 5.8 centimeter. OR is our next side, that is 4.4 centimeter. Measurement angle M is 58 degree. Measurement angle O is 105 degree. Measurement angle R is 90 degree. Now we will construct. Now here some steps I have shown you. Through these steps you are going to construct the quadrilateral. Before constructing, first we have to draw a rough figure. Now this rough figure also containing marks, because from that rough figure only we can understood how the main thing will be there, main figure how it will be there. Now here the first step is what? You have to draw MO equal to 5.8 centimeter. See, the rough figure must be this line. This is what our MO. Just I am showing you the rough figure. Afterward, we will construct a real figure. Now, MO must be how much centimeter? Is must be 5.8 centimeter. Then they told us that draw angle MOX. MOX, it must be 105 degree. That means here you have to keep in O, what you have to keep? You have to keep a protector, but it must be how much degree? It should be 105 degree. Why it should be 105 degree? Because it is already given in the question. 105 degree means it is which type of triangle? It is which type of triangle? 105. It must be a obtuse angle triangle. It should show a obtuse angle triangle. That means it is greater than 90 degree. It is obtuse angle triangle. So we will put our protector over O and we will just take 105 degree point and then we will construct a line. See, this is rough diagram. So just I will explain how the things will be made. So here 105 should be of this is 105 degree. We will take from O. Then what you have to do? You have to take with the center O and radius 4.5, 4.4 centimeter. 4.4 centimeter is the measure of OR. That means here you have to take with your compass 4.4 and you have to make an arc that will be 4.4 centimeter and you will give a name as O R. Then next is what? They told us that your O, then they told us that your ORY equal to 90 degree. Now ORY, that means here is the R, here you will put your protector and you will take 90 degree. Then it will construct like this. 90 degree you have to take and you have to write over here 90 degree. Then next is what? Then next you have to draw a line, draw an angle of OMZ. OMZ, that means this is O, this is M, and here you will take a Z. It is how much degree? It is 48 degree. You will put a point of this and here you will construct an angle of 58 degree. Then this will make a quadrilateral where MZ MZ and RY intersect each other. Directly it will intersect each other and it will show you in a form of quadrilateral. Now how will be your rough figure? This, see, this will be your 5.8 centimeter and it will be named as MO. Then here will be 105 degree. Here will be R and you will take an arc of 4.4. Here will be 105 degree. Then here will be 90 degree with the help of protractor. Then you will write here 90 degree. Then here you will take 58 degree with M. It will like this. It will show 58 degree and here you will write E. So here M is your 58 degree, O is your 105 degree, R is your 90 degree. That means this type of figure you're going to show in your real sum. Now this is your rough figure you are going to draw in a left side of your notebook. This rough figure you're going to draw in your left side notebook. Now here I am going to show you how to construct the quadrilateral. 5.8 centimeter. Here you are going to take a measurement of 5.8 centimeter. Then draw a line 5.8 centimeter. That line as MO. You are going to name the line that is MO. After that, you are going to take a protractor. You are going to take a protractor. You are going to put this protractor in front of O. In front of O, you are going to take it and you are going to mark as a degree of 105. That means it should be like a obtuse angle. Put a point over there and join that line. Make an arrow over here. Here you have drawn a degree of 105 in front of O. You are going to write a degree of 105. Then take in a compass how much degree, how much centimeter, 4.4 centimeter. Put in O and mark an arc. You will get an measurement of 4.4. So put right here 4.4 centimeter. And this is your which point? This is your R point. Now here by putting R, you will take 90 degree. You are going to take a 90 degree. Put here where the arc is there. Where the arc is there, you are going to put here and then you are going to mark a 90 degree. That is here. It is 90 degree. Just draw a line from the arc that cuts a point. Then what you are going to do? You are going to take from M how much degree? 58 degree. So here you will write how much degree? 90 degree. Then from M you are going to take 58 degree. 58. Here will be 58 degree. Join this line. How much degree you have taken? You have taken 58 degree. MOR. Here will be O. Like this it will be constructed. Now here there are arrow putting so that the line have been closed. You are going to give the name on that arrow. Also you can give a name that X, Y or Z. You are going to give the name on the arrow also.
So here we have made a construction of MORE. Once again, I will explain how I have constructed you. First, you have to make a line that is of 5.8 centimeter. Then, with the help of the protector, put on the O side, take 105 degree. Afterward, what you have to do, you have to make a line over here and you have to write in front of O, it is 105 degree. Then you have to take in a compass 4.4 centimeter, put on the O and mark it and write the name as R. Then what you have to do, the angle R is 90 degrees. So you have to put your protector in front of the R and you have to take 90 degrees. Put a point and draw a line and write over here 90 degrees. Then in M, you have in measurement angle M, it is given 58 degrees. So you have to put your protector in M and you have to take 58 degrees. Put a point and make a line over here and just put arrow all the sides. Now here in front of measurement angle M, you have to write 58 degrees. Then the figure is showing you a figure of quadrilateral. That is MORE. So here we have completed our first sum, that is measurement, that is quadrilateral MORE. So like this, your figure should be made. I hope everyone has made same this figure. Now we will proceed with our second sum. Now here the second question is, construct quadrilateral DEFG such that line DE equal to 4.5 centimeter, line EF equal to 6.5 centimeter, line DG equal to 5.5 centimeter, line DF equal to 7.2 centimeter, line EG equal to 7.8 centimeter. So in this question, every things are given in centimeter and lines only are given. So here we are going to construct this quadrilateral by taking the measurement only. There is no degree over here. So there are some steps which you are going to follow it. Now here are the first steps. Just I'm going to read first step and then we will construct a rough figure. Now here, first step is here, you have to draw a line that is DE, that must be 4.5 centimeter. You have to draw a line, that line must be 4.5 centimeter and name of that line is DE. Then next will be what? With D as a center and radius 7.2 centimeter, draw an arc. With D, what you will do, D से लेके आप क्या करोगे, 7.2 सेंटीमीटर ड्रॉ करोगे. यहाँ पे हम आप क्या करोगे, आर्क ड्रॉ करोगे. You are not going to make a line, only you are going to make an arc of the compass. Now next what you will do with the with E as a center and radius 6.5 centimeter. There you will do with E, you will take E as a center and you will construct a line that is 6.5 with the help of the compass only. And you have to draw an arc, the cutting previous arc at F. So here, when you cut the line, then you will get two arcs joining and then you will join that line and it will show EF. Then once again, same what you will do with the help of D. D as a center you will take and you will draw a line that of 5.5 centimeter. There also you will just draw an arc. Then once again you will take E as a center and there you will take 7.8 centimeter. And that both the lines should be cutted each another and there you will join a arc that become G. So here you will get a figure of DG and GF. These are the steps how you are going to construct it. Now I will show you the rough figure how you are going to construct it. here how you are going to construct it.
These are the rough figure how you are going to draw it. First, you have to draw E, DE. DE, that means it should be of 4.5 centimeters. So you will draw DE of 4.5 centimeter DE. Just listen it properly how you are going to construct it. Then afterward we will do it. Now DE must be of 4.5 centimeter. Now with D, with D, what you are going to do? You are going to take in your protector 7.2 centimeter, and here for by keeping D you will make an R. See, D पे रख के तुमको सिर्फ 7.2 सेंटीमीटर का क्या ड्रॉ करना है? आर्क ड्रॉ करना है. Then what next? Next what you have to do with E. E पे E as a center, तुम्हारा E center होना चाहिए, and there you will draw an arc of 6.5 centimeter. See, जब arc होगा, that will be of 6.5 centimeter. It will join, and you are going to write a name as F. And then what you are going to do? You are going to join this line. Which line? E and F को आपको join करना है. There E and F, how much centimeter you have taken? You have taken 6.5 centimeter. Listen it once again. First क्या करना है? What will be your first step? DE you will make of 4.5 centimeter. Then the second step, center. तुम्हारा center क्या होना चाहिए? D. D से आपको लेना 7.2 centimeter in your and just mark an arc draw करना है. Then E से आपको कितना लेना है? 6.5 सेंटीमीटर, और वहां पे भी आपको क्या करना है? You have to draw an arc. Then you have to join that line that become EF. EF हमारा बन जाएगा. The next step what you are going to do? You are going to take D as a center and you are going to mark 5.5. Now here D पे रख के आपको कितना लेना है? 5.5, and here only you are going to mark it. D पे रख के आपको क्या करना है? You have to mark 5.5 centimeter. Then same, you have to, what you have to do? You have to take E, this E as a center, and you have to take 7.8 centimeter. यहाँ पे रख के आपको क्या ड्रॉ करना है? 7.8 centimeter. Then once again what you are going to do? You are going to join. This will become G. This will become our G, and you are going to, what you are going to do? You are going to make a line over here. This is how much centimeter we have taken. We have taken this as 5.5 centimeter. Now here this arc and this arc, you will join it. Now what you have done? You have taken DF as how much centimeter? DF as 7.2 centimeter. So here you will draw a diagonal. It will make a diagonal of 7.2 centimeter. And here E and G you have taken how much? You have taken 7.8 centimeter. So here will be 7.8 centimeter. These are the two diagonal. When you construct a quadrilateral, you will get a two diagonal also. So this is your rough figure how you are going to construct it. I hope you people have understood the rough figure. Once again, I will explain it. DE you have to take 4.5 centimeter. Then from then from D you have to take 7.2 centimeter and you have to make an arc. Then from E you have to take 6.5 centimeter and then you have to make arc. Join that arc E and F, you will get 6.5 centimeter. The next step is what? Next step is you're going to take D as your mid center and you're going to make an arc of 5.5 centimeter. Then once again E से हमको कितना सेंटीमीटर लेना है? 7.8 centimeter. There you will cut in front of G. So it will show a cutting arc. Join that line. It will show G, D, G you will show 5.5. Then your upper one you will join EF. Then last is what? Your diagonal. So here will be two diagonal. DF is your 7.2 diagonal and GE is your of 7.8 centimeter diagonal. Now I hope you people have understood.
centimeter. With the help of scale, you will draw a line 4.5 centimeter. Now name that line as DE. Name that line as DE. Then with the help of the compass, you will take a center D. Center D you will take, and what you will do, you will take 7.2 centimeter. In your scale, you will take 7.2 centimeter. Here on D, put here on D and make a arc. Then you will take 6.5 centimeter, put on E, center E, cut that line. Then join this line. Join this line and write over here how much centimeter? 6.5 centimeter. And here how much centimeter you have taken? 4.5 centimeter. Now in front of E, what you will write? You will write F. If you join EF, it will show 6.5 centimeter. Now same thing, you will take a compass and with center D, you are going to take centimeter 5.5. 5.5 you will take, put in front of D, make an arc. Wait a minute. You will take 5.5. It should be only showing one arc only. Don't show 2, 3 arcs. Okay. Then from point E, from center E, you are going to take 7.8 centimeter. From E only, you are going to take 7.8 centimeter. Put on E and draw an arc. Now here, the arc has been cutted. Join this arc. This is how much? 5.5 centimeter. DEF. Here will be G. Then join these two arcs. Here, what you have done? Here DF. Here DF is how much centimeter you have taken. Join that diagonal and this diagonal also. That is diagonal EG. Now this diagonal is how much centimeter? It is 7.2 centimeter. Already you have taken. And here the diagonal G and E. It is how much centimeter? 7.8 centimeter. Now your construction should be made like this. Construction.
So here, this type of figure we had made. First, I have shown you the rough diagram. Now this is the fair diagram. I hope everyone has done with the same thing. So here we have completed 8.1 exercise. In our next lecture, we will continue the next exercise.